Ever wish you could automatically create a data-backed customer journey map? A customer journey is the complete experience a customer goes through as they try to accomplish a goal. It helps customer service teams prioritize improvements based on what matters most to the customer. Today, we're going to explore how customer service professionals can use Copilot to understand where customers get stuck before they contact support, to fix root causes and prevent repeat cases and escalations. Copilot is great at analyzing diverse and large datasets generated by customer activity and touchpoints. In this Excel, I have integrated datasets pulled from web analytics, feedback sentiment, CSAT and SLA performance, net promoter scores, and churn drivers. This is the data I will reference in my Copilot prompt. To get started, I'll open Copilot from the home menu. Next, I'll enter my prompt, asking Copilot to create a customer journey map that visualizes the customer experience that leads to their first time contacting support, repeat cases, and escalations. Create a version in PowerPoint with your findings. While we have a brief moment, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want more tips and tricks. Copilot gave me key insights for each stage of the customer journey and created a PowerPoint for download. Let's check it out. Now I have a customer journey map by stage, focusing on the key issues I want to address, and recommendations to fix them. Stick around. There's still so much more to learn about Copilot.